Today I have for you this portable power station bag, and this is by Benvol. With times changing, we like to make sure that we have backups in case of emergency. And what this holds is a portable power station. And that portable power station, can charge our phones. We can even plug our TV into this one. But if you have an emergency or it's something like camping, car camping, whatnot, this bag holds your power station, helps keep it cooler, and has anti-static material. So also waterproof. So if this is sitting outside, this is also going to protect your power station. Okay. So, but the coolest part is you don't even have to take your power station out of the bag because you can access all of your ports right here. So easily can turn it on and off, charge your devices, plug in your TV. You also have this carrying handle that Velcros, so you can carry it this way. And you have a shoulder strap as well to carry on your shoulder. You have side pockets, and this shoulder strap is removable. You have these side mesh pockets for extra cords or maybe cords for your solar panel if it charges up to a solar panel. And then, of course, the top opens. This case is designed for power stations, typically 300 to 500 watts, but mine is actually a 600 watt one and it holds it great. And more storage capacity for things like cords, but really easy, holds everything together, and just really a great product. We love it.